Auzubillahiminashaitanirajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Surah Al-Nahl, continuation after verse 104. Only those fabricate lies concerning Allah who do not believe in the signs of Allah, and these are the liars. As for one who denies Allah after he has believed, with the exemption of one who is forced to do it, while his heart rests securely in faith, but one who opens his heart to a denial of truth shall incur the wrath of Allah. Such as these will have a terrible punishment. This is because they prefer the life of this world to the hereafter, and because Allah does not guide those who deny the truth. These are the ones upon whose hearts and hearing and sight Allah has set a seal. It is they who are heedless. And in the life to come, they will surely be the losers. Surely your Lord will be forgiving and merciful towards those who migrated after persecution and strove hard for the cause of Allah and remained steadfast. On the day each soul will come pleading for itself, and every soul will be repaid according to whatever it has done, and they will not be wronged. Allah makes an example of a town that was secure and at ease, with provisions coming to it abundantly from every quarter. Then it showed ingratitude for Allah's blessings, and Allah afflicted it with hunger and fear because of what they did. There came to them a messenger from among themselves, but they rejected him as false. So punishment overtook them as they were wrongdoers. So eat the lawful and good things which Allah has provided for you, and be thankful for the blessings of Allah. If it is Him you worship, He has forbidden you only carrion, blood, and the flesh of swine. Also, any flesh consecrated in the name of any but Allah. But if anyone is forced by dire necessity, not desiring it or exceeding his immediate need, Allah is forgiving and merciful towards him. Do not falsely declare, this is lawful and this is forbidden, so as to invent a lie against Allah. Surely those who invent a lie against Allah do not prosper. Their enjoyment of this life is brief, and they shall have a painful punishment. We forbade the Jews those things we told you about before. We did not wrong them, rather, they wronged themselves. Surely your Lord is most forgiving and ever merciful towards those who do evil in ignorance, and truly repent thereafter and make amends. Abraham was a community in himself, devoted to Allah and true in faith. He was not one of the polytheists. He was thankful for his blessings. Allah chose him and guided him to a straight path. We gave him blessings in this world, and in the hereafter he shall be among the righteous. Then we revealed our will to you, O Muhammad, saying, follow the religion of Abraham, the upright in faith. He was not one of the polytheists. The Sabbath was only enjoined on those who differed about it. Your Lord will judge between them on the day of resurrection regarding the things about which they differed. Call to the way of your Lord with wisdom and fair exhortation, and reason with them in a way that is best. Your Lord knows best those who have strayed away from his path, and he knows best those who are rightly guided. If you want to retaliate, retaliate to the same degree as the injury done to you. But if you are patient, it is better to be so. Endure with patience. Truly, your patience is possible only with the help of Allah. Do not grieve for them or feel distressed because of their plottings. For Allah is with those who are righteous and those who do good.